Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Rike knives Microtech Socom Bravo SE here with me for a quick review. And as usual, guys, what you don't have to forget, is to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. That was quick, right? Like it's gonna be quick, this video. So here, what do we have? I would describe this frame lock because it's kind of like technically titanium frame lock with carbon fiber scales, titanium back spacer, which is, dude, I mean, look at this. A lot of machining went into this full-sized back spacer reaching up to the top. I love this idea. A lot of jimping going on. Windows, you get these pretty cool 3D milled carbon fiber scales, which are creating this kind of like faux bolsters, but you know, as you can see from here, they are still part of the liners in titanium. You also have a blue anodized titanium pivot collar on both sides, dual thumb studs, which are just acting perfectly. Look at these lines. It's the Socom Bravo from Microtech with the tip-up carry pocket clip in titanium. Nice ramp going on in and out. There's some nice flat surface underneath. You get stainless steel lock face insert screwed in from the outside. Even the pivot, the stop pin is double screwed in from the outside. Jimping everywhere. Like, look at the back. Constant jimping going on around, and then stops right there, and then you get jimping here, jimping on the blade. You even get jimping at this area where you usually grip like that. So even here is jimped. This is an M390 steel. You have a lot of billboarding, but this is like usual for this kind of blade. Look at the cutout on the blade, very well executed. Lot of details on this one. You get the Rike knives logo on the back. Overall, this fella is just well made. The action is like super smooth. This fella flies out like crazy. Very pleasant, good ergos, good sound. It is a big knife actually, because the overall size of this big boy is going to be 9 inches with a 4-inch long blade and 3.75-inch long for the cutting edge, and the handle is going to be 5 inches. So not a small guy, pretty centered, nicely done. Let's actually check the weight because there's no internal skeletonization. The stock thickness is a little bit on the thick side. So in ounces, this bad boy is going to be, look at that, 5.74. So not super light, but definitely like beautifully deploying the blade for sure. But hey guys, if you want to know more, you just can check my full length review, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.